Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Call of Duty Warzone DirectX error so you can stop crashes and launch the game properly. First, restart your PC because temporary system or graphics glitches can trigger DirectX issues. Next, update your graphics drivers to the latest version from NVIDIA or AMD, since outdated drivers are a common cause. After that, make sure your Windows is fully updated because DirectX components are included in system updates. You should also reinstall DirectX runtime files to repair missing or corrupted components. Another important step is to verify the game files through Steam or Battle.net to fix broken data. Also, lower your in-game graphics settings if you can access them, especially texture and shader settings. Make sure no overclocking is enabled on your GPU, as it can cause instability. Finally, restart your PC and launch Warzone again, and the DirectX error should be resolved. Subscribe the channel for more videos.